Hey everyone, it's Tina here with Crafting with Tina. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. It is September 3rd and I am very excited because it means it is the first day that the new mini catalog has gone live on my Stampin' Up website. And this catalog is full of so many awesome things. If you haven't seen it, pop over to my website and click through the products and just see what I'm talking about. All of the holiday things are here. And there was one kit in particular that I was super excited to work with, and it's called the Christmas Tags and More Kit. And I'll just give you guys a quick peek. Here it is. This is the spread in the book that I was excited to play with. And so I have been working a little bit behind the scenes this last month to create some scrapbook pages for you, and I have a whole bunch of them here to show you. I did 8 layouts, and I will be designing this as a pre-cut Christmas kit that will be ready to ship out this month. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip the camera down and give you guys some sneak peeks of the products I used in the kit and what the pages look like and what you can expect from this kit. So join me at my crafting desk below, and I'm excited to share with you guys. Okay, so here we are. Here is the catalog that I was showing you, and here is a sneak peek of the layouts, which I love. But I am going to set them aside because I wanted to actually open the book and flip to the page that got my inspiration flowing. I love these books because not only do they show us lots of product, but they really are idea books that you can look through and see all the different ways that they use the different products. So these are the products that I'm focusing on with my kit, and I did use the paper pack called the Christmas Tags and More 6x6 DSP, and then also this brand new set called Greetings for You Mix and Match Ephemera, and then I'm also using a brand new pack of embellishments. So let me give you a quick overview of some of the papers. So I've used a bit of the pack, but I have a bit of the pack left to show you. And like I said, they're just 6x6 sheets, and they are double-sided. And so you get what you would expect from a paper pack. Lots of different patterns, but this particular paper pack has some fun hidden gems. Whereas one side is just a pattern of paper, the other side also includes what could be used as a photo placement card. It can be a 4x6 accent on a page. It's amazing. I love these, and I'm going to show you how I used them. And then again, you have some more that are just beautiful paper on one side, and then on the other side you get another one of these pieces that I call them cut apart pieces that you can use in your scrapbooking. And then here is another hidden gem. You think you just have some gingham paper, but on the back side, you have these 6 little blocks of cut apart images, and they are 2 by 3 inches each, and they are perfect. So let me show you another wonderful thing of this set. You get 2 sheets of die cuts. So these are pieces that are die cut and ready to pop right out. As you can see, they come out so easily. This one has already fallen out, so they're not going to be difficult to pop out, and you're not going to have a lot of those chads on the edges. But there's 2 full sheets of 2 different designs, but you get 2 sheets of each design just in a paper pack. So I love that Stampin' Up thought of everything with this kit, that they gave us DSP that we could use. Then they gave us what I like to call like these cut apart sheets, and then they gave us die cuts as well. So 6x6 papers aren't always the easiest to scrapbook 12 by 12 layouts with, but it is no problem. I was able to do it just fine. Here's some of my scraps left. I just tucked them right back in the bag they came in. But let's talk about one of the embellishment packs I used. I love this set. I love, love, love it. It's brand new and it's just called Traditional Sparkling Sequins. But I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to tell you why I love it. There are two main reasons that I think these embellishments are must-haves. And it has nothing to do with how sparkly and beautiful they are, nor that there are 4 colors. But if you look at it from the side, they are virtually flat, which if you are like me and you just like a small amount of dimension on your layouts, these are amazing because look how flat they are, but they don't appear flat. And the other reason I love them is look at the size of these embellishments. The large ones are actually quite large, so they really are going to stand out on your scrapbook page. So these are a must-have, and you can definitely use these colors for lots of things besides Christmas. And in this kit, I didn't use any of the blue ones, but I do plan on using the blue ones with some other things coming out. And then the other new product I wanted to highlight is this Greetings for You Mix and Match Ephemera Pack. Now it doesn't come like this, it comes shrink wrapped, but I like to take these DVD cases and I just add my ephemera packs to them. I may have showed you this before in other videos, but the top of this DVD pack is just an open flap, and I just cut that out and just slide it in there. It just moves around. See, no big deal how that is stored. But then you can store all these pieces together, so as you start punching them out, they're not falling all over the place. Now, there's something magical about this particular ephemera pack that is also new. It's gold foiled, that's not new, but let's flip it over. And do you see these lines on the back? That's because these are stickers. Oh my gosh, I was floored. I love that so much. They're stickers. It is awesome. So if you want to pop them up like I do on the layouts, you would leave that backing on and just add your dimensionals. But if you wanted to use them directly on a project, you don't need to worry about getting your little glue out. Just peel the back off and use them. And then the other thing I wanted you to notice is they are thick. They are like die cut weight. They're thicker than die cut weight. I mean, way thicker than cardstock. So look, it's barely bending as I hold it because it's not just cardstock. So these are sturdy, and you get 2 sheets of each pattern. All right, so I have mine kind of mixed up because I've been using them, but you get 2 of every pattern in there. So you get a total of 6 sheets in this ephemera pack. And it really is perfect for card makers, but I was able to make it work wonderfully for my scrapbook layouts, and I think you will too. Okay, so those are the main products I used. I did do some die cutting with the stylish shapes. These are a staple die now in my craft room because you get all the squares, you get the circles, you get the banners, and then the circles give you this fun detail around the edge. So the stylish shapes dies are a must-have. But for my pre-cut kit, all of that is done for you. You don't have to worry about it. So let's talk about my layouts. Okay, you guys, these layouts, if you like beautiful layouts that come together really quick and easy, then what I have designed is for you because I am offering these as a pre-cut kit. What that means is you will get everything that you see here pre-cut, bagged up for each layout and ready to go. You will also get all the embellishments that you need as well as one full roll of ribbon, which I did forget to mention. Aha! So you'll get a full roll of this beautiful gold ribbon in your kit. It is one of my favorites. It comes as a 2-pack of gold and silver. You're going to get the entire roll of that. So everything will come pre-cut, and I am just going to show you guys some sneak peeks because I can't give it all away, right? You have to have a reason to want to go to my website and look at the kit, but there are so many fun details. This is that cut apart card that I showed you, And then look how big those dots are. They're very substantial on your scrapbook page. And then look at the Merry and Bright. That is that ephemera piece we were talking about, and I just popped it up. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so that is one of the pages. And then you guys, look how it looks on basic beige cardstock. So pretty. And again, these are just 6x6 pieces of DSP that I use, but look at the clustering you can make using the ephemera, the die cuts, and then the ribbon that you're going to get with it. All right, so fun. And then here's another little sneak peek. This is that cut apart card with another little bit of ephemera on it, and then some of the bows. And again, look how good those dots look. All right, let's talk about, ooh, here's another layout. I'll just give you a little sneaky sneak. Aha, look at that. 2 more die cuts used to make a significant focal point area. And then down here, just more cut from that DSP with the Merry Christmas popped up. Super easy. And again, you guys remember, all 6x6 pieces of cardstock, pieces of DSP are what I had to work with to design these layouts. But you don't have to worry about that, because again, look at this one, with my pre-cut kit, it all comes pre-cut, labeled, and bagged per layout with everything you need to put them together really, really quickly. And again, it's 8 pages. That's that 2x3 cut apart sheet that I was telling you about. Aren't those so pretty? That's all part of that sheet. So what do you get? What do you get? You get, again, all pieces pre-cut, all of that jazz. You don't have to get, you'll get a full roll of the ribbon. You'll get all the ephemera you need, not a full pack. Otherwise your kit would be a lot more expensive. I keep it affordable for you guys, and you get all the embellishments that you need. So if you're thinking ahead for your Christmas scrapbooking, just go to my website and check it out. I'll just add the link below. You can browse around and see what all the kits are. And I would love to hear in the comments what you thought. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today while I gave you this little sneak peek. And I can't wait to see your feedback. All right. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.